In this video, I'm gonna show you how to retouch your skin without making it look plastic fake. Start by uploading your picture in Photoshop. Then make 2 copies of the background layer by holding Ctrl and J. Let's hide the top layer for now. Then select layer 1, right click and convert it to a smart object so we can make changes later. Now go to the filter menu at the top and then in noise filter select median. Now increase the radius until all the acne blurs out. After that, go back to the layer panel and create a solid color adjustment layer. Here keep the hue and saturation value at 0% and brightness at 50%. Right click and convert it to a smart object. And then change the blending mode from normal to overlay. Now go to the filter menu again and this time in noise filter select add noise. Let's add the noise to create a skin texture. Make sure Gaussian and monochromatic is selected. After that, finally unhide the top layer, right click and convert it to a smart object. Then change the blending mode from normal to vivid light. Now again go to the filter menu and in other select high pass. Then increase the radius until you see the texture of the skin. Finally, select all the layers and group it. And then open blending options of the group. Here in the underlying layer, break the black slider using the Alt key and drag the right half to the right side. Then do the same with white slider and move it to the left. And as you can see, we have the perfect skin protection and now the skin looks natural. After that, create a group mask and invert the mask using the shortcut key Ctrl and I. Finally, select the brush tool and set the flow according to your preference. And make sure the brush hardness is at 0%. Then make sure group mask is selected and start painting over the skin to remove acne, blemishes or any skin defects. It also smooths out the skin. Take your time and make the skin look natural. You can try different flow and brush size. And there you have the perfect skin retouch picture ready. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.